help you?
Hi, I need to start saving on car insurance.
Money a bit tight?
Yeah, I've had to cut back, sell some stuff.
Like his watch.
Ah, we can help you save because we instantly compare your Progressive Direct rate with rates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Delaware Department of Health and Social Services. A boil water advisory is now in effect for much of the state of Delaware due to water contamination. Please refrain from using fixtures such as sinks and showers, as well as appliances like refrigerators and washing machines. A project being completed on the Milford-Harrington Highway has resulted in the excavation of asbestos from beneath the road surface, which began traveling the water distribution system. Asbestos fibers have been confirmed in the water supply along with other coarse sediment. Ingestion of the fibers or the sediment will lead to severe health and respiratory complications. Toilets are safe to use. Discontinue all other usage of water. Boiling water may dissolve particulates, but ingestion is still discouraged. Water infrastructure in your area may be temporarily disabled today into tomorrow to allow maintenance crews to conduct thorough investigations and cleanings of the water discharge and distribution system. Residents are advised to only ingest and utilize bottled water for necessary purposes like cooking until the situation is resolved. Please observe children and pets closely to ensure they are not injured by ingesting unfiltered water. Follow-up messages will be delivered over the air once the situation is resolved.